Hey guys, it is Wednesday debt day. So today I will be showing you exactly what I will be spending today when I get paid. So when I get my deposit, I'll let you know how much was deposited from my job. And then I definitely know a portion of that is going to go to rent and electric. Because remember, every week I take out an amount and I pay toward my rent and electric. Instead of paying once a month, I send them something every week. So I'll be back once I get how much was deposited into my account. All right, guys, it is pouring down, raining out there. Take these glasses off because it's wet. But my payment today from work was $379. Hold on, just went away. I just had it pulled up. Let me pull it back up. Okay, guys, I pulled it up. My payment today was $379.91. I got a money order for $275 to pay toward my rent and electric, and I spent $34.35 in groceries. So that's what I did. Here's my receipt for what I paid for groceries. So right now I'm on my way to put the money order into the drop box. It is pouring down. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but it is pouring down, raining out here today. Just like it was yesterday when I went to work and I could barely see in front of me. But anyway, I'm on my way to go drop off this money order. Then I'm going home until tomorrow morning when I come back to work. All right, guys, I just finished dropping off the rent payment, the rent and electric payment. Now I'm on my way to the house. Another day on our way to work. But first I picked up a a Spark delivery order for $15.49. And it is a 2 drop off. So I'm on my way to go pick up that drop off right now. So come along with me. All right, guys, we're at the Walmart. I'm going to get spot number 1. All right, guys, I got the sticker. So now I'm going to scan the sticker. And this is for the one that's in my trunk. So let me go ahead and label that. And get on to the first. And then I'll let you know how far is the first delivery, which is an apartment, and it is, let's see, it is 9 minutes away. Let's go.
Toward Cathan Drive, then turn right onto Cathan Drive.
I had a hard time finding that apartment because it was hidden up in the cut, and I don't know if you guys were able to see me or not. Come on, this is cutting off my head. So I had to go make sure where it's located first, and then I found it. So now we're on our way to our last drop off, which is 14 minutes away, and it's in another apartment, and then we're on our way to work.
In 1,000 feet, turn right onto Orchid Avenue.
Guys, deliveries have been dropped off, and now I'm on my way to work. Traffic, you know, in the morning time, you know, it's a lot of traffic because of the school buses, and then yesterday we had get out of here. We had a little thunderstorm, and my lights were still out when I left home. When I came out, the street lights were out. I guess that's what you call them. Red light, green light, those lights. They were out. So in my neighborhood. So it took a good little while to get this to drop off to the customers. But now on my way to work. And I see you guys when I get another order. I'm not going to close out right now, but I will see you on another day or either. Good morning, good morning, good morning. It is Wednesday morning at 6:26. No, it's not Wednesday. It's Friday morning. I'm 2 days behind. It's Friday morning at 6:26 a.m. I'm waiting on a Spark delivery so I can do at least one Spark before I have to be to work at 8 o'clock. When one comes along, or if one comes along that I want to accept, so I won't be late for work, I'll be back. All right, guys, just got one for $21.40. You can't see it, and 45 cents. So we're gonna go ahead and get this drop off. It's a 3 drop off, and then we'll be on our way to work. All right, guys, let's go. All right, guys, we're here. We're gonna get spot number 11. All right, guys, we got the goods. I've already scanned all the stickers. So the first delivery is to apartment, and it is, hold on one second. Oh, 3 minutes away. Okay.
Head east.
Hey, let's go do this drop off. And guys, while you're riding along with me, could you go ahead and thumbs up the video for me and subscribe? And also, if you like, you can definitely share. But anyway, I just want you to come along and be a part of this gig Mom on a Mission family. So come on and subscribe, and we're getting ready to drop off this first delivery. Guys, we're on our way to our next delivery, which is 13 minutes away. And the note says, please bring upstairs to the front door. Okay, let's go. Oh, it's not 13 minutes away. It's 11 minutes away. All right, and it's a house. Let's go. Sorry, guys, but the way that these townhouses are situated, I'm not able to let you see where I'm going, but I'll be back as soon as I drop off her delivery. Let me scan it. All right, guys, that required a passcode from the customer, and now we're going to another house, which is 9 minutes away. Let's go. These
1,000 feet.
These townhouses that you're looking at, they're 3 stories townhomes, and I was at one point wanted to purchase one, but not these gray ones, the ones that's in front, which is big brick. It's red brick instead of you know, these tan and gray ones. And maybe you can see them when we get closer. If you can, I'll show them to you. Okay, you see these brick ones in front?
Turn right onto Eaton Street.
These are the ones that I wanted to purchase one time. But yeah, these are the ones. All right, let's go drop off this delivery. All right, guys, I'm sorry I can't get the front door, but I'm trying to get as close as I can for you to see so you can see what I'm doing. Hi, good morning. Sorry, guys, I don't think you were able to see me. I tried to put it so you can see what I was doing, but because that big bush, I don't know if you saw it, it was hiding the front porch. But anyway, we're on our way to work, And hopefully I have time to stop by the store right quick before I get to work, but we'll see. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and close out this video. You guys be blessed, and I will see you in the next video. Again, don't forget to thumbs up the video, subscribe, and tell your friends and your family to be a part. I'm trying to make sure I don't come out in traffic. And tell your friends and family to come and be a part of this Gig Mom on a Mission family. Be blessed.